I've been asked to review two four-wheel drive vehicles, one standard and one fitted with the ultimate suspension. As any driver knows, with enhanced suspension, you're going to get improved performance, better safety, and most importantly, better driver comfort. The Ultimate Suspension Company was established in 1976 by renowned motoring engineer Ken O'Keefe. Specialising in four-wheel drive suspension systems that improve handling, ride comfort and safety, the organisation has grown into a component supplier to international markets around the globe. A working relationship has evolved with the leading auto parts manufacturer in Malaysia, APM. This collaborative partnership will see the Ultimate Suspension and APM design and manufacture suspension systems for the worldwide market. The first vehicle we tested is an original equipped vehicle with no suspension modifications. Through the world standard slalom course, you'll see significant body roll and forward pitch under hard braking. The second vehicle has the same specification, except it's fitted with the Ultimate Suspension System. That is a 30-30 performance upgrade. Simply, a 30% rate increase in suspension and a 30mm lift for increased ground clearance. This upgrade significantly enhances vehicle stability, control, improved performance and driver comfort. Let's ask our professional V8 supercar driver, Steve Briffa, for his thoughts.
In the V8 supercar, we really focus and concentrate on our suspension and setup, the shocks and springs working at their optimum. The ultimate suspension in this car today that we've tested, I find is going to give a very safe ride for people. It's going to react better for steering and work very well, so I highly recommend it.
Whether you're driving on-road or off-road, keeping your tyres in contact with the terrain is most important. With the Ultimate Suspension, you're going to have greater performance, a greater level of safety and improved comfort.